Hello. So
Okay.
let me introduce a Toyland Defense a little bit. And Toyland Defense is one mobile game from the Web3 and Web2 can play without having to buy tokens or NFT. The digital assets serve to enhance the gaming experience and bringing their gaming to the next level. And is built by experienced developer in either mobile games or in blockchain. And so now it's your turn, Jeremy. So you can okay, I can see your slide. You can start your pitching now.
All right.
You have
Hello,
7 minutes.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Xin chào. My name is Jeremy Ju, and I'm the CEO of Shield Games. Allow me to pitch you our project, Toyland Defense. I hope it's a little bit lighter than the previous projects. So a little bit about us. Shield Games is a JV company with three equity partners, namely Mason Games from Malaysia, and Mega Combat Studio and Pando Infinity from Vietnam. We came together with a common belief that onboarding the next 1 billion Web3 users will be done via games. Toyland Defense is our first mobile game, and our project is 90% complete, as you can see on the right. We are planning to launch in Google and App Stores with a free to play model. Later on, we will launch our tokens called Zeal together with our own NFT marketplace. Now, our game is in the same genre as Clash Royale, as some of y'all might recognize. And we feel that there's a lot of room to grow in this category, right? So the last, you might ask, what's the last 10% that's incomplete? We are looking for the right partner to seamlessly onboard Web2 users. Mainly, we are looking for SSO login solution and self-custody MPC wallets. So why do we say that there's a lot of room to grow? Because we are not just building a game, we are building an ecosystem with Zeal tokens at the core. Zeal and our NFTs are supported in Toyland Defense over here and our future titles. And our NFT marketplace is there to support all of our games. We are also emphasizing on esports and tournaments, which we feel that it creates a lot of excitement and views in the industry. In our game, this is something that we feel that is an innovation that users can only earn the tokens via placing in tournaments and special events. So it's not really a play to earn, but more towards a compete to earn. So this is we have incorporated the more traditional Web2 revenue models on the left-hand side, where there's in-app purchases, functional ads, and season passes. Those will be our main revenue source. Our NFT marketplace will also generate a smaller revenue via royalties. And deal tokens will be held in our treasury, where we regularly convert them into stables of fiat to support our operations. In this graph, we have an overview of our launch roadmap, our marketing plans, and our key goals. Currently, we are doing community building for our game towards our soft launch in December 2023. The target here is gamers in Philippines, and we plan to get around 25,000 users. Before our launch in Q1 2024, we will conclude our private token sale over here and any equity raise. By May 2024, we are targeting, which is around 2 months after our launch, we are targeting to onboard 200,000 users. Our marketing outreach over here, Southeast Asia and LATAM markets, followed by MENA, US, Europe, and the rest of Asia. This is in respect of our increasing user acquisition costs from cheaper to more expensive. In between that, we are planning a public token sale. All this, so this is our roadmap on the left, right up to the end. By May 2025, 12 months after our global launch, we are targeting 5 million users. So these are our core team members. This is me, Jeremy, and then I'm supported by game and development studio owners. which is the Daryl Lau from Mason Games, Tun from Mega Combat, and Nomad or Bin from Pando Infinity. All of us have at least 10 to 15 years in the development world or the gaming industry. And why is this important? So this arrangement is actually being done because currently Shield Games itself only have three headcounts. All right. Our equity partners are supporting us externally to reduce our overheads. The plan is to hire a new team via while the senior team members from all three different studios will train them. This way, we are able to reduce the risk of failure and we can maintain a longer runway. So this is our draft of our tokenomics. Pretty standard stuff. We have allocated tokens for esports, both external and in-game tournaments. I would like to highlight over here special allocation. So what is this special allocation? We are planning to have a marketing campaign 1 month during the 1 month after our launch. Any user who spends 10 US dollars or more, they will be reimbursed back, rewarded with tokens of similar value. Let's say the guy buys in-game purchases for 10 US dollars, he will be rewarded with $10 worth of tokens. Effectively, we are actually conducting a token sales of sorts in the app stores. So this is something that we have come up, and we feel that we are planning to be a first mover in this space. All right. So all boils down to this slide. What we are looking for, we are looking to raise USD 1.5 million via SAF plus token warrant. So what are we going to use this for? We have our goals over here, 200K users by May 2024. By the way, we will fund the soft launch ourselves. We will increase our headcount from 3 to 15 within 12 months, increase our community base to 50,000 across all channels, and we are planning to hit 5 million users by May 2025. Previously, we have raised $500,000 about 10 months ago to develop the game. So currently, this raise will be for marketing our game. So this is a little bit of our future plans. There's also definitely merchandising opportunity because we will be using the same IP across all our titles. We have planned out, well, mapped out and designed and conceptualized two more titles. So all these titles will use the same tokens, definitely Zeal tokens, and also some of the NFTs. And with that, that's it. This is the design of our characters on the background. On the left, you can scan this QR code to get my details and Shield Games and Toyland Defense details. On the right, please do scan this QR code. You can view the official trailer. I'm not going to view it here, but this is it. Well, thank you so much. That's
So,
our
so
pitch.
thank you so much, Jeremy. So let's need to part for Q&A.
Please give me more time for Q&A.
Okay, our investor can type into our chat box.
Seems like nobody has
Investor,
questions.
you have any question for Jeremy or for Toyland Defenses, you can type.
Well, since there's no questions, perhaps I can give a bit more details since we have time. Uh, we are we are currently we have a company in Singapore, which is a holdings company. We are planning to open up a Dubai entity where we are going there next month. That will be our operational company. In other words, that's where the revenue goes in. And we are planning a SVG or Seychelles company to hold the tokens. Why this much complexity? Again, we are neither security, but some of the countries do not classify us as utilities. That's why this existing arrangement exists. Um, we have we feel that if you can take a look at the trailer, we feel that we have pretty cute characters which appeals to both genders, both female and male. We feel that has is acceptable for both parties, right? Both genders. It's a strategy game where it's there will be it's quite deep if you go really into it. Let me just open up the slide. So the strategy is actually pretty deep, and you can pretty much win the game with low-level characters with the right strategy, right? The tokens, by the way, is used for in the NFT marketplace. You can actually upgrade the cards using tokens. Now, you don't really need the tokens, but up to a certain level, let's say level 10 and above, you will need tokens to upgrade your units. A bit more time to share some of the things. Perhaps this slide might be more interesting, or perhaps I can show the trailer. How much time do I have?
So you have 1 minute left.
Okay, 1 minute left. Let me.
So I think investor don't have any questions.
Oh, okay.
So
If
you
there's no
can
question,
leave your contact in your brochures, and mm, if your investor can contact you.
yep, definitely. You can always scan me here. My Telegram is over here, and I'll share the info. Oh, thank you so much.